simple cooking made simple with a Carolina chef. Today, we made sauerkraut. And I bet you a bunch of you guys are saying, that's nasty stuff. Well, it is if you get it out of the can. But we made this from scratch using a half a head of cabbage, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a cup of apple juice, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of spring water. It takes about 35 minutes. It's actually pretty tasty to be sauerkraut. And it's wonderful on a Reuben. We did a video a couple weeks ago. Man, this added so much flavor to our Reuben and our corned beef that we did as well. We made a video with our corned beef as well. So make sure you go back and check out the corned beef recipe, the Reuben recipe, and then all those will kind of tie in together with this sauerkraut. And you ask, why are you doing sauerkraut? Well, I mentioned when I was making the Reuben that if you guys wanted me to make a sauerkraut video, to let me know. And I've had a couple people say, hey, could you go ahead and make that sauerkraut? And I was like, yeah, I guess. And then I was thinking, you know, we're doing that MLB special opening day with a bunch of different hot dogs, 3 to be exact. And we're gonna do a New York style hot dog. And it needs sauerkraut. And I wasn't gonna buy no canned sauerkraut. So we made sauerkraut and we made this video for you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and let's play. So let's get started. We're gonna cut up a half a cabbage. And then we're gonna take the core out. And then we're gonna cut this thin, in thin slices. And this is just so it cooks up faster, and it's kind of like your sauerkraut that you would buy in the store. And now we're going to add our cup of liquid, which is a 1/4 cup vinegar, a 1/4 cup spring water, and a half a cup of apple juice. We're just going to pour that right over that. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll put our lid on and cook this on medium heat for 30 minutes. And we'll stir it occasionally. So we've let it cook for about 15 minutes. We're going to remove the lid. And then we're going to stir this up to make sure the brown sugar and the salt has gotten in with the liquid. And then you can see how it's still got some liquid in the bottom. There's not a whole lot because it's cooked out. That's why you leave the lid on to keep the liquid in there. But if you see that this is getting dry, you're going to want to add some more spring water to this, maybe another 1/4 cup. Because you want some liquid in it once this finishes, but not a whole lot. So we finished cooking our sauerkraut, and you can tell that there's not much juice left. So that's why you want to make sure that you don't let this start, the bottom of the pan start browning. So this is perfect. So we'll put some in a bowl so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But if I'm having sauerkraut, I'm not using canned sauerkraut. I'm not a big fan of sauerkraut until I started making this recipe with the apples and the brown sugar. It just adds a little bit more sweetness, takes out of that bitterness out of it. So it just adds a better flavor, in my opinion. So later on, we're going to use this sauerkraut for a video coming up where we're going to do a special video on Major League Baseball opening day. We're going to do a choice of 3 different hot dogs. One of them is going to be a New York style hot dog that we'll be using this recipe for, and this sauerkraut. So it'll sit in the refrigerator for a couple days. And this is good to sit for about 2 weeks in your refrigerator. Thank you guys so much for watching. And thanks to all of our subscribers. Make sure you do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. God bless.